Hey guys, this is Michael Myers 101, and right now I'm lost in a corn maze at Dell'Osso Family Farms. Just giving you guys a look around here. Definitely a good sized maze here. I really like it. It's actually like two mazes in one here, so we're kind of trying to navigate our way through. Alright, we made our way out of the maze, and now we're going to go find some other activities to do. These are definitely a lot of fun for the kids, but I feel like I'd hurt myself trying to roll on one of these though. Alright, we are inside the haunted house, and I have to say they've improved it a lot from the previous time I was here years ago. Definitely a lot scarier this time. And they even got a miniature golf course here, so got to check that out too. Gotta love how they have the Home Depot 12-foot skeleton there. Definitely a great prop when, you know, even the big pumpkin mazes have it. Now we're gonna take a ride on the train here.
As you look around the farm, you will see, as is the Dell'Osso Family Farm tradition, all the many changes we make each year for our guests' enjoyment. The small lake to the far right of the festival grounds, as well as the larger lake you just rode by, were created with reclaimed and non-potable water left. And you will see the woods of our spectacular haunted castle before we head back to the station.
And it looks like we are coming up on the pumpkin patch now. Definitely gotta grab a couple of those later.
Lurking around each corner.
And I feel like these spinning pumpkins would really make me sick. Kind of afraid to go on them. Alright, we're gonna check out the hayride now. See how that goes.
It's a weekday.
These pumpkin blasters let you shoot mini pumpkins at targets, so they're pretty interesting. All right, that's it for this trip. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.